everyone, happy lunchy break. Today's a very exciting day because we have some special guests.
Yeah, they're making too much noise back there. They're supposed to be hiding.
Lunchy break! Oh my god, guys, it's so exciting. It's Iskra and Natalie are here. We're going to get lunch because obviously lunch. Yes.
Are you gonna tell them why they're here?
Oh, you might already know if you're a religious watcher that Iskra has a new show coming out on Clever's Facebook page.
I would look at myself and go into battle with the way I looked and the way I felt about myself. What I want to do is help you find self-acceptance and self-love within yourself. If you're comfortable being able to do this, you're gonna be comfortable doing anything. This is the Mirror Challenge.
So she's here because we're celebrating it.
Yeah.
Right now.
When you said religious, I thought you were hinting at the theme of the show, which is more of like a spiritual, like feel-good show.
No. So tell us about how long have you been here?
2 days.
2 days.
First
What
time
have you been doing?
Natalie's ever been in LA.
What? How do you like it?
I love it. I love it.
It's not like kind of a letdown.
in the Uber coming from LAX and she was like, I love this place. I could live here. I was like, we've literally been in an Uber for 5 minutes.
More importantly, what have you eaten since you've been here?
Oh yes.
I forgot. Where are the cookies?
Cookies. I saw your Instagram story. You went to Diddy Reese.
We did, and they're still
Oh,
here
and
with
that's
us.
it. You just in case. Cookies.
Emergencies.
Just in case. Gotta keep your blood sugar up.
Have you guys been to In-N-Out yet?
No.
Obviously I have, but I haven't. I've never been. We need to go.
It's kind of my favorite place in the entire world. We like maybe should have done that, but we decided to go to like an actual lunch this time. This is where I always like, if I'm getting like drinks with someone, this is where we go because I don't go anywhere else, and I'm like, I don't know what places there are around here.
Same. It's called the Belmont.
No, it's just they have a nice patio, so I feel like it makes me look like I actually know places to go, when in reality I spend all my time on my couch.
And it's also very LA, so there'll be a lot of picture moments. It'll be perfect.
Instagrammable.
Someone told me they saw Louis Tomlinson there once.
What?
Ooh.
Didn't you guys see Taylor Swift there once?
Oh no, that was a Jones on 3rd.
Yeah,
I was not there that day.
I wasn't invited to go. I'm still mad about it.
I'm pretty sure that day it created some controversy because not everyone got to see Taylor Swift.
I'm still mad. I actually am still mad at everyone, but we'll talk about that later. This is all about body positivity and confidence.
It's a bit of a struggle to find parking, but we made it. We've made it!
Get the food in my belly.
Oh, there's always fries.
You'd be surprised. I went somewhere that didn't have fries. I was like, don't you have children here? Children? Like, isn't there a children's menu? Because I'm not into that.
I don't usually go places that don't have a kids
That's what
menu.
I'm saying. Gotta have ketchup.
Oh, hello.
Hi, just wanted to get here early to secure the table for us.
Iskra, you like corn as well?
Loves corn.
Jocelyn.
No.
I have a, like, it's a love affair with
Insert clip from Jocelyn's previous corn narrative.
I'm just really excited about my corn.
Stop waving your corn at me. But aren't you scared of baby corns?
Oh, baby corn are troubling for me.
Like, you know, like the little tiny ones that are in salads?
These look like baby corns, which is like the vegetable that scares me.
I understand that. Because we're not children.
We are trying to enjoy a nice lunch, sir. The food has arrived. Guys, I'm pretty sure this is the corn.
No, that's the onion dip.
No, that's the corn, Jocelyn. No, it's not.
There's definitely...
It looks like it can't be the corn. You did not pay $7 for that.
And I think you paid for the chips as well, but it came with corn.
Are you sure?
Yep, I'm pretty sure.
It comes with chips.
Oh, it does. Well, no, I see onions. Try it. You be the judge.
Is there corn in there?
Don't let Natalie decide. She doesn't have a clue.
She's like, that's great.
That's why we ordered it. What do you think? Have it corn. It has truffle on it. It's snobby Todd.
My mom most recently has started calling potatoes pots.
Well, you know, tater tots are my new favorite food. Any city I go to, I want to try the best tater tots they have.
I also just feel like tater tots in general are like, if a restaurant has good tater tots, everything else is gonna be good too.
The question, you ladies are from England. What's like the #1 food that like is underrated that we don't know about that we need to eat next time we go? Because I'm secreting that we're gonna go there this year.
Apparently one of our biggest fan bases is in London.
Either fish and chips.
Okay.
Like a proper fish and chip.
Everyone always yells at me because I get fish and chips a lot on the show and says, that's not real. So what is it like? What's the difference?
Vinegar. I mean, my mind's blown that we don't have vinegar here.
I feel like they do sometimes.
Not really,
But
though.
I'm just
England,
really-
they serve it, like it's
It's
on the table like quill. Like,
If you're gonna have, and remember, we call chips. These are not chips.
What are those?
What are those? Crisps.
Oh.
Imagine saying the word crisp. That is the noise that it makes.
No, that does logistically make sense.
But fries don't make the sound fries when you eat them.
No, it's because
But
they're
they are
fried.
fried.
Yeah, I do that.
Okay, so aside from the fact that there's no vinegar, rate the fish and chips. Do these look?
5.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna be so pleasantly surprised when I finally do that.
Maybe a 3.5.
A 3.5? You are throwing shade on my fish and chips.
They're great fries for like fries, but they're not chips that you eat with fish and chips. What are those?
I feel like those would be more like steak fries.
Exactly. That also should only be one piece of fish. It should be really big. It should be like
Wait, it's just one piece?
Yeah. Too long and it's big.
fish.
Is it cod?
It's well, you can get scampi, you can get like a haddock, but anyway, it's usually cod.
What'd you get? Just a boring salad?
That's because I'm really filling up on tots, but I feel like this makes me consciously feel better.
Oh, God.
You know what I mean?
What do we have?
We have a taco salad.
Spicy mac and cheese? Tots have made a large dent.
I'm just having a fully, more coffee. Can you imagine? I can't drink any more coffee.
I was
but
like,
I will.
someone take it away.
No. There's Brussels sprouts and cauliflower.
Oh, of course. A lot of the food has come out, but the corn has not.
Not here.
Iskra noticed. Guess who did it? Corn and pasta.
I've never seen her eat corn.
Iskra already called her out off camera.
Nice.
No, I know.
She doubts your obsession.
Conspiracy theory.
Oh, good. The corn has arrived.
This looks like some artisanal corn if I've ever seen it. You're the guest of honor.
She does because she doesn't even like it.
She does not like it.
It's all luck.
I really do. I have corn on the
Down there.
Wait, what did you do with that corn?
Your vegetables arrived.
You know how I love me some Brussels and cheese together. It's like my
What kind of cheese is that?
I don't know, or is it like
Goat?
goat maybe? I could do it.
She's so
No
nervous.
pressure.
She loves it. Oh my god.
Oh, don't vomit. Please don't vomit.
Oh, she does not like it. She has to wash it down. Oh, she hates it like a normal person.
It's fine. We all have our thing. Thank you.
Lunchy break update.
We just found some cute girls who watch us. Yay! Here's your lunch break cameo. Nice to meet you.
Maybe not one corn left.
Guess we didn't really eat the corn. It seems like you weren't really partaking in the corn
Well, I ate
consumption.
the corn, but it looks like, you know what? Get anything for a guest.
She does not like corn.
No, I do like corn. Have you seen me eat corn?
One time.
No, actually, no. We just ordered a bunch of corn.
Competition coming.
We're having a corn off. Oh my god, you need to come on for a cheat day about corn.
Yes. Corn on the cob.
Cornbread. I love cornbread.
Even baby corn.
I know, it freaked me out. I'll do it for you guys.
Jocelyn has to leave because she has to like be an adult on a phone call or something.
I have to go be an adult. It's so stupid. Even though, like, what adult dress is like.
I can do nothing forever. Bye. These were so disappointing. You guys were right.
So what this means is we're gonna have to go on a road trip. When I say road trip, I don't
It was
mean
like
road.
and a boat and then another road.
More like a sky trip to London with you guys and eat fish and chips.
So unfortunately lunch is over. Now we have to go back to work. What else are you doing today?
You guys, we're launching a cooking show on this channel.
Oh yeah, we are.
So I'm going to go prep for our first shoot. Lily and I are gonna deep fry desserts.
Obviously, you know I love deep frying things.
What about you, Lil?
I don't really have anything to do. Iskra's about to go film some stuff with Lauren for Facebook. Give them a rundown. What do they have to expect?
Oh, I don't want to give too much away, but
They
it's gonna
did
be.
pick who's gonna be in it.
We
Secrets.
did. We casted some amazing participants today, so I'm super excited. But
You can't tell them any more than that.
it's gonna be about transforming how we speak to ourselves in a very loving way. It's gonna be transformational, but not having to like change who you are, what you look like, if that makes sense.
Sounds like I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry on every episode.
It's like my favorite thing to do though is watch things that make me cry.
Same.
Does
Yeah,
that
it's
make
gonna
me
be a
feel like a
bit
masochist or something?
No, I think that makes you a girl.
Crystal Natalie, we were in the heart of Beverly Hills. She was, open the window! Breathe the rich air.
Go on.
It's your pretty woman moment.
Wait,
Wait.
you have like the,
I have a sunroof.
biggest
I have a
moonroof ever.
I don't know how to open it. Oh,
come
there it
on.
comes.
Iskra embarrassed.
She's living.
Royal.
Amazing.
Well done.
She is so cute. I want her to put her in my pocket and keep her forever.
Oh, and that dog too, maybe.
How did it go?
Oh, good. Very good.
Sorry.
You look very alarmed.
Some alarm. It is alarming.
Why are you alarmed? What's
I don't
alarming?
think anything beginning with the word vag should go on your face.
Where are you gonna find me?
I'm a little alarmed too. What are you putting on your face?
Vagisil.
What?
See?
That's meant for your vagina.
I put on Instagram that I'm peaking today, so it can't get any better than this.
I'm sorry. Do you need a quick nap?
This is very comfortable.
Isn't it great? I have one in my office too.
So good.
She likes to lay horizontal for a certain amount of allotted hours a day.
I too like to be horizontal as much as possible.
I can fall asleep anywhere.
Highly
fall asleep in the
inconvenient.
car.
If I'm in the front, yeah. If I'm in the back, no. I'm looking for some face spray, like, you know, like rose water or a mist.
Speak to Erin. There's probably a vag.
He's like, do you want Vagisil? Apparently we have that. Oh, Nelly! It's called a marine boosting mist.
I remember when we were at Ulta and I said that this is one you have to try.
Okay, well, the universe heard us.
Dude, powerful.
Maybe Tarte will send you.
You're spraying quite a bit. I feel like I see it all like coming forward and not even going on your face.
Maybe a bit more.
Oh my.
This cuts are just soaking wet.
It's because I've got nothing else to do.
It smells kind of like a lemon water.
Baby.
It's nice. It's refreshing.
It really does.
Why should I put my eye cream?
It's really.
It's really awkward when someone else does it for you.
You can do it
I don't know if I trust Lily.
I feel like a new woman.
Aaron just looks kind of oily.
Sign me up.
I just look like I've really been through something.
Thank you guys so much for joining us.
Thank you.
We love you.
Make sure you watch Iskra's new show on our Facebook page when it comes out, which is in the very near future. Any details will be in the description below.
Also, let's make Natalie a star.
Yeah.
I'm here. I'm available. Everyone.
Comment below if you want to see more Natalie.
Yeah.
I love her. Bye, you guys.
Bye.
Wow, and click this box to watch us celebrate the 100th episode of Beauty Trippin' by covering ourselves with body glitter.